Welcome to Formula First, a trusted family-run business located in Weston-super-Mare. As a leading independent garage, we specialise in tyres, vehicle servicing, MOTs and all major vehicle repairs. At Formula First, our goal is simple: provide you with an unmatched customer service with our team of experienced technicians keeping your vehicle safely on the road. Whether it's a tyre replacement, a puncture repair or a headlight bulb, we are here to assist you 7 days a week with no appointment needed. We service most vehicles with our pricing remaining highly competitive and completely smashing the main dealers in the market. We also boast of having the latest MOT equipment where our skilled technicians are trained to carry out MOTs for Class 4 and 7 vehicles. Our passion and drive to be the best is what has separated us in our field for the past 2 decades. For me personally, it's a privilege to be a part of this company, and we thrive on delivering the best possible service to all of our customers. My name is Jamie, and thank you for choosing Formula First.
At Formula First, we understand that maintaining your vehicle and ensuring your tyres adhere to UK tyre law can be a little daunting. That's why we're committed to offering everything you need for total peace of mind in one place. We don't deal in jargon or believe in complicating our services for our customers. Instead, we provide a straightforward 5-star tyre fitting and repair service that's here whenever you need it. We know that life can be unpredictable, so when our customers come to us for assistance with their tyres, our friendly technical experts get to work, diagnosing the problem quickly and providing you with options to suit your needs and budget. When it's time for a service, don't be tempted to put it off. We're renowned not just for our state-of-the-art service centre, but our friendly and approachable teams who'll get you back on the road as soon as possible. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a first-time driver, get in touch with Formula First Tyre, Exhaust and Auto Centre Limited today.